click on this video because you are looking for a way to get access to ChatGPT Pro for free. And guess what? I'm not about to disappoint. In this video, I'll be sharing with you two simple methods that you can use to access ChatGPT Pro, even 4.0 and 4.1, all for free without paying a dime. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. Do not skip any part. If you are yet to smash the like button, please help me smash the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. First thing first, head over to ChatGPT. You can use the app or the web version, okay? And I also turn my phone into horizontal for easy understanding of this tutorial. You don't need to turn your phone. Once you are here, click on this two dot at the left corner. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, make sure you are logging into ChatGPT with your Gmail, okay? So once that is done, click on your name. Once you click on your name, it's going to take you to this interface. Once you are here, click on personalization, okay? So once you click on it, an interface like this is going to open. What you are going to do here is to click on custom instruction. Once you click on custom instruction, you are going to see an interface like this. Just scroll down. When you scroll down where it says anything else ChatGPT should know about you, you are going to be pasting in this prompt, okay? This prompt I just pasted, you are going to be pasting it, okay? So you can screenshot the prompt now just the way it's showing on your screen. I'm going to be leaving this prompt on my Telegram channel. Link will be in the description, okay? Let me read out the prompt for you. The prompt says, always respond using your most advanced and capable reasoning model, which is 0.3 Pro or equivalent. Prioritize deep analysis, logical clarity, and high-featured accuracy. Structure responses in a clear step or section when appropriate. Minimize fluff or unnecessary repetition. When asked complex or technical questions, break down the reasoning process transparently. Use advanced understanding to handle ambiguous or nuanced prompts. If unsure, clearly explain the uncertainty or assumptions involved. Respond like a domain expert would, but still remain clear and accessible. Once you input this information and save it, moving forward, your ChatGPT is going to be giving you deeper and more comprehensive information about whatsoever you ask it. This would enable it access deeper reasoning and give you more appropriate response that is only accessible in the Pro version of ChatGPT. Once you are done inputting these informations, just scroll up. You see where it says, what should ChatGPT call you? Just feel free to put your name if you want. And this place that say, what do you do? Put what you do. And this place that also say, describe or select traits. These ones are not really necessary, but if you want, you can input it, okay? So once you are done with that, just come here and click on this check icon, and the information you've input here is going to be saved. Moving forward, ChatGPT is going to be giving you premium reasoning that only ChatGPT 4.0 can give. How cool is this? Now let's jump into the second method for accessing ChatGPT Pro for free. This time we are using a powerful website that do not just give you access to ChatGPT Pro, but also Deepseek Pro and a bunch of other premium AI tools completely for free. How cool is this? Go to your browser and paste this web address. I'll leave it in the description, or you can also check the Telegram channel. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. This is the home page. This is how the home page look like. These websites give you access to a lot of AI Pro tools for free. How cool is this? Yes, this is getting more interesting. If you know you are finding value from this video, please give it a thumbs up because I know you are actually getting value from it. Let's continue. Click on this place that says direct chat. It's going to give you these options. Click on button. Once you click on button, still go back there again and click on the button. Once you click on it again, it's going to give you these options. This place that says direct chat, beneath it you will see chat with one model at a time. Instead of this website to generically give you answers, it will give you options for you to select a particular model for yourself. How cool is this? So I'm going to click on that. Once I click on it, it brings me here and it refreshes the page for me. And it gives me this option right here at the center. So click on this option. Once you click on it, it's going to give you all these amazing models. As you can see, you now have access to Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. You have access to Grok. That is also like ChatGPT. Is owned by the owner of X, formerly called Twitter. You have access to ChatGPT 4.0 latest. You have access to Google Gemini 2.5. Like there is a whole lot of models here that you have access to. You can also see ChatGPT 4.1. You have access to Mistral 3.1. You have access to Command ChatGPT 4.1. You have access to Amazon Nova Pro. This is really amazing, right? There are a whole lot of models here that you have access to. You have access to Deepseek, like the latest version of Deepseek, right? You have access to Minimax. You have access to a whole lot of models here that are paid tools. This is really amazing. If you are getting value from this video, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your bell notification. You also have access to Gemini 2.5. You have access to Amazon Nova Experimental. You have access to Cloud. You have access to Minimax. You have access to Cloud Sonnet. The list is endless. All you have to do is to select the exact model you would like to work with. Once you do that, just go ahead and use this as your search engine, or just use it the normal way you will use your ChatGPT, and you'll be able to get access to the pro features, which gives you all the amazing deep think and deep results and also deep analysis. And that's it. That's how you can actually access ChatGPT 4.0 or even 4.1 for completely free. I'm sure you got value from this video. Go ahead and type helpful value in the comment section. And also type where you are watching from. I would really love to connect with you. Until next time, guys, check out this video on how you can make a monetizable gospel music channel. Click on it before it disappears. Bye.